Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at PlushCare's online pharmacy services, found at plushcare.com/pharmacy. This platform offers a convenient way to manage and receive your medications, all from the comfort of your home. Navigating the site, you'll discover that PlushCare aims to simplify the often cumbersome process of obtaining prescriptions. They strive to streamline refills and even offer new prescriptions online, depending on your specific needs and location. The website highlights the benefits of using their service, emphasizing the time-saving aspects and the potential cost savings compared to traditional brick-and-mortar pharmacies. They also appear to offer a degree of personalized care, suggesting that they connect you with healthcare professionals who can address your medication questions and concerns. Further exploration of the website likely reveals details on their medication delivery process, including shipping times and associated costs. It's also worth investigating whether they accept various insurance plans and how they handle prior authorizations, if required for certain medications. PlushCare appears to position itself as a modern solution for prescription management, catering to the demands of today's busy lifestyles. It's definitely a service worth considering if you're looking for a more streamlined and potentially more affordable way to access your medications. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication regimen. For more details and to explore the full range of services offered by PlushCare's online pharmacy, be sure to visit their website at plushcare.com/pharmacy. You'll likely find additional information regarding medication availability, potential drug interactions, and other important considerations. This overview should give you a good starting point for your own research.